First off, open your browser and head over to roblox.com. Once you're there, log into your account. If you don't have any account yet, no worries. Just click on this sign up button and create a new one. Alright, let's proceed. Once you're logged in, you'll notice the Friends option on the left side of your screen. Go ahead and click on that. Now you might notice there isn't a direct option to see the friend requests you've sent. You'll see tabs for friends, following, followers, and requests, but nothing for sent requests. So what can you do? The trick here is to search for the username of the person you sent a request to. Click on the search bar and do your best to remember their username. For instance, let's say I'm searching for Angel. When you find their profile, you'll notice something interesting. If you see a pending button on their profile, that means you've sent them a friend request. And that's pretty much it. That's how you can check the friend requests you've sent on Roblox. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching and have an amazing day. See you at the next one.